Another year wiser for me and my twin brother, and we had dinner with the fam. Just a week earlier, I headed down to San Diego to celebrate with the boys. We started with the Canelo fight at True North, and this was the first round of many drinks. At some point, we headed just next door to Part-Time Lover, which used to be Bar Pink. It's fully remodeled, and at the other end of the bar, there's a full vintage actual record shop. Out to University Heights, and more specifically, Park and Rec. If you saw my Thanksgiving vlog from last year, this is a spot where I really like to vibe. Jules was dropping some classics when we walked into the second room, and I got to catch up with Spinny Cooper, one of my favorite DJs. If you know me, I don't really like to celebrate my birthday that much, but around this time of year, I do get sentimental thinking about both blessings and challenges that have brought me to where I am today. From starting as apparel designer over 20 years ago to working my way up to creative director, becoming a YouTuber, and now starting a brand from scratch, I appreciate all these moments and the ones I share with my close friends. Oh, peep Spinny with the crowd control. The homie DJ Cutlos was working a wedding, but still came through in the evening hours to be in attendance. We got loose, we got lit, we turned up, and we had a great time.
Hey, happy birthday,
I appreciate my band of brothers in San Diego to this year and many more.